action. Hello. Today we are going to do the Colorful Chemistry Magic Liquid. This is 1 big spoonful of Nathaniel blue and a cup of water. Oh, and if you didn't know, today's National Periodic Table Day. We're a periodic table show. So we are going to pour different chemicals into each cup and see the magic. Okay, so our first step is
10 drops of Nathaniel. Would you like to tell them?
sodium hydrogen sulfite. Okay, let's start. And now let's just screw the cap back on.
Here, I got it.
Okay, she is going to do it. Well, she will introduce the next step.
Now you will be putting citric acid into this, and this will also be 5 drops.
5 drops of citric acid, okay? Okay, she's going to screw the cap on this. Well, wait, no, she's not going to screw the cap on that. She's just going to introduce our next step and then screw the cap on it.
The next step is to take citric acid and
sodium carbonate, and it's going to be 5 drops of each. Okay, and it's going to be in the middle of the cup. And now, she's just screwing the cap on those 2 chemicals while she introduces our next step.
Now we'll be using...
Wait, no, she's not screwing the cap on that one.
Small spoon, so this side.
This side.
And you will be doing...
sodium hydrogen carbonate.
That's good.
Now we are going to pour that into that cup. Okay. And finally, we are going to use,
and this will be 5 drops.
5 drops of sodium carbonate.
Oh, I think that's good enough, buddy.
Okay, now let's see this magic happen. Oh, don't drink this even though it's tempting. I think we might need a little more in that one, that one, that one, that one. And now, if you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe. We are also doing a new thing. We are going to see which box you would like to choose.
So put in the
for our next video. Would you like us to do the oxygen box, the chemistry and light box, or the artificial sea box? Put in the comments below. Oh, which box you would like to see me do in next week's video? Oh, and you should like and subscribe this video And hey, turn on your notifications for next week's video. Every Friday, new video.